We will begin the demonstration on the query results screen where we have the tag results displayed. So you see that we've got a Mississippi tag for someone named Joyce Reel, and we have a driver's license query result for Jake Paul Smith. So to write a ticket, we highlight the Mississippi tag result. Create eTicket is the option we choose. And when we do, an eTicket is generated and certain information is brought into the ticket automatically. You'll notice that the tag number, the tag state, that sort of thing is brought in from the tag query. To bring in the driver information, we'll click on Recent Queries and click on the driver's license query result and click Insert, and that brings in the balance of the violator information. Because we already have information set up in the e-ticketing system with regard to the court and the court date, all we really need to fill out now is the violation information. But to visually check that the court information and the officer information is visible and part of this ticket, we can click on the Officer and Court tab, and we see that it is there. So we simply go to the Violator tab, put in the violation that we want to write for this offender, and we're going to say that the violator has a suspended driver's license. So by keying in SUS, it brought me a listing of all the offenses in the e-ticketing program for this agency that deal with driving with a suspended license. I pick the proper code, hit tab, the bond amount appears for me, and then I can enter in any remarks that I want to enter. Stopped for rolling through a stop sign. We can say that it was in the city limits, and our city field will be populated automatically. We can put in the location within the city limits that this offense occurred. It was on 123 Main Street, which is near Highway 18. And now we have all the information we need to generate the ticket. So we click Save. It asks us if we're sure. We say yes. And now that ticket has been written. And if we want to also cite this driver for rolling through the stop sign, we can use the duplicate function by highlighting the ticket that we just wrote and clicking on Duplicate. We duplicate the ticket. All of the information from the first ticket is populated into this ticket, including the court and officer information. We put in the second violation. So we will save the ticket. Now we have two tickets that have just been written 3 minutes apart for the same offender, and we can highlight one and print it. And then we can highlight the second and print it. And we are finished with this incident and have successfully executed 2 citations against Jake Smith. At the end of the day, this ticket will be pushed over to the court system, and the court clerk will be able to find this case of 2 tickets and assist the violator with paying his fines. So let's look at what that looks like. This is where Faith Sullivan, our court clerk, is logged in, and she can find this case a variety of ways by going to case management. Let's say that Mr. Smith calls in and he doesn't have the ticket number, he doesn't have anything except his name. We can use his name to search and look at the cases we have for Mr. Smith, and here it is. We have one case where he was cited for driving with a suspended license and failing to stop at a stop sign. We can let Mr. Smith know that he owes the court $766 and that his court date is August 19th. If we need to, we can receive payment at this time and do all the other things in the court system. That is covered in a different video demonstration. So I hope this has helped you understand how easy it is to run a query, create an e-ticket, duplicate that e-ticket and create a second one, and how the court clerk can then see that ticket on the court side once the day has ended and the ticket has been migrated to court. If you have any questions at all, please call us or email us at the numbers and addresses you see on your screen. Thanks for tuning in.